Your Epson ET 4800 has stopped printing in color or producing poor results. Here are some fixes you must try. Method 1. Clean the printhead. Step 1. Go to your printer's display and ensure you're on the home screen. Note, if you're not on the home screen, press the home button on the printer. Step 2. Insert letter-sized paper into the printer's rear paper feeder. Step 3. Scroll and select Maintenance, then press the OK button. Step 4. Under Maintenance, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Step 5. If you have loaded the plain paper, press the Start button. Step 6. Receive the print and check if the ink flow is not breaking. Step 7. If the lines are breaking, you need to do a printhead cleaning. Step 8. Go to your printer display and select Yes if there are missing segments. Step 9. On the Clean Printhead screen, select Yes and press OK. Step 10. Press OK to start the printhead cleaning and connect the missing dots. Step 11. Ensure you've more papers in the rear paper feeder and press the Start button. Step 12. Wait for at least 3 minutes for the printhead cleaning process to complete. Step 13. Receive the printhead cleaning result and verify that the ink flow is continuous. Step 14. If there are no missing segments, select No. Note, if the printhead result has missing segments, perform printhead cleaning again or power cleaning. If the issue continues, follow the next method to update your printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the Epson printer driver's official website. Step 2. In the Product Support and Drivers section, click on the Click Here hyperlink. Step 3. Select your country or region. Step 4. Enter ET 4800 in the product name field and click on Search. Step 5. Select your operating system from the drop-down. Step 6. Find the latest driver package and click on the Download button. Step 7. In the Action pop-up, choose Save. Step 8. Once downloaded, run your file. Step 9. In the Allow App to Make Changes pop-up, click on Yes. Step 10. In the Epson Installer pop-up, click on OK to move to the next steps. Step 11. After installation, read the license agreement and click on the Accept button. Step 12. In the Software Selection window, select the items you want and click on Install. Step 13. Wait for the installation to end. Step 14. In the Printer Setup window, click on Next to start setup. Step 15. Select your connection type, then click on Next. Step 16. Select the Printer is already on my wireless network option and click on Next. Step 17. Once your software installation and printer setup are complete, click on Exit. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such help and information. Or visit us at www.printertales.com. Call us at 1-857-557-6884. 441615184781.